Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Video 1. Best lawyer for truck accident. Tip for choosing a truck accident lawyer. If you have been involved in a commercial truck crash through no fault of your own and your insurance claim was denied, you may be able to show the truck driver's liability policy and the trucking company for compensation. Often, however, truck accident victims find themselves in a court against companies with entire team of lawyers and large litigation budgets. To, to avoid being at a disadvantage from the start, you should know what to look for when interviewing potential law firms for your case. Picking a law firm with insufficient experiences or resources may causes you to lose your case. Here are 4 tips for choosing the best truck accident lawyer. First, meet with several lawyers or law firms before choosing one. While it may be tempting to go with the first commercial truck accident lawyer you interview and get started on the case as soon as possible, you should take the time necessary to decide which lawyer has what it takes to win and bring you the best long-term result. Meet with several attorneys before you decide and compare how well they can answer your question about the legal process and what to expect. Often law firms offer a free case evaluation before you know what to look for. An inexperienced and unqualified attorney may be able to convince you that they were a good choice through bluster and legalize. After you have met with a few firms, however, that likelihood is smaller. Look into their years of experience and practice areas. Whether that experiences include truck or big rig accidents, since property damage and serious injuries from this type of accident can be much worse than for a car accident with passenger vehicles. If you are not sure where to start when looking for a truck accident injury attorney, you can call your local bar association and ask them if they have any recommendations. You still need to vet any attorneys you get through such referral carefully, but it may be a better starting point than responding to billboards and TV or online advertisement. Number 2. Ask family and friend for recommendation. If any of your family or friend have worked with a experienced truck accident injury lawyer or know someone who has asked if they can recommend anyone, ask your friend or family member questions about the case and take notes on how the law firms handled everything from the initial investigation to litigation and billing. If you get a recommendation from past slides, set up an appointment to meet with the attorney in question. Make sure you ask the attorney the same question you would have asked them if you would found them without a referral. Just because they were able to win a case for your family member or friend does not mean they will necessarily be able to win yours. Help you recover compensatory damage from liable parties. The first step to getting compensation for any losses after a truck accident is to file a personal injury claim with the truck driver's insurance company. A truck accident attorney can help you file a claim, gather all necessary documentation such as police report and medical reports, and undertake negotiations. The insurance company may respond by accepting your claim, denying it, or sending back a counter offer. While it may be tempting to take the money the insurance company offers initially, with first counter offer for truck accident claim is usually a low ball based on their experiences and knowledge of personal injury law. Your truck accident attorney can help you negotiate for a higher settlement. If the insurance company denied your claim, the case may move into litigation. The first step in suing for compensating is knowing whom to sue. There may be multiple liable parties after a truck accident. If the fault lies with the driver, you may be able to sue the driver's insurance company, and the driver's employer. If the accident was caused by equipment malfunction such as truck brake failure, or you were hit by loose cargo caused by truck bed failure, you may be able to sue the equipment manufacturer. In some cases, if the accident was caused by a lack of infrastructure maintenance, then you may be able to sue the government or responsible